Okay, here we are after 30 minutes. We've now hit us kind of top temperature. I don't know if the fan's been on at all because I was indoors. There's nothing visible at the back, but it stinks. At the front it, well, sounds smoother than ever. I'm not sure what an actual temperature test here is going to give us. See if I can hit that again. So temperature's kind of even across the board. It's definitely a lot better sounding now. Oh dear. No. No. That's ugh. So, that's where we're at. That's where we're at. It stinks. It's horrible. It's nasty. My MOT inspector's not going to like it. And it's not a dirty air filter. I took that out for the run, but, well, who knows.